Hey, what's up guys? I just wanted to do a quick video on how I set up my trailer harness for plug and play on my 2006 Honda Element. This is it should be good also as well for the 2005 2006 Honda Elements. I think the 03 and the 04 Elements have different ones, and then the 07 to 2011 also have different ones, and I believe they do sell those kits. You can buy it from Amazon. This one was a little different. It was weird because I believe the 05 and 06 are different between the earlier years and the later ones. There is a harness plug that's in the back of my Element in the wheel well where the emergency or the spare tire goes, but this one doesn't work, and I guess the kit that Honda sells are like $150 for that. So this is what I found out after doing some research. So this is a Kurt, and I'll post a link on the description which one it is, but it's the Kurt trailer harness that was actually used for my 99 Honda Accord that I no longer pretty much need, so this is what I'm using it for. But you can see the plug and play, or the plug for the trailer. It's right under so this is the steering wheel. It's right under here. Hopefully you'll be able to see it. So it's underneath this. These are the pedals. It's to the side towards the door, and it's just right there. So this is where it's all plugged in. So it's kind of hidden right there. There's another trailer plug that's right here. This one was actually plugged into something else, but I believe that's also for the trailer. But that's not the one that you want to use. You want to use this one that's up here. It's a female connection, and the harness has the male connection. But yeah, it's working good. I can show you how it works. So now, also what you need to do, so it's this harness is fairly short. So what I did do is I went to Harbor Freight and got myself this 5 feet trailer wire extension kit. Should be good enough. I haven't opened it up, as you can see, just barely bought it. So make sure to go to Harbor Freight. They had it for about $6 after a 20% coupon. Plus, if you get their junk mails, they also give you like free stuff as well with a purchase. So make sure to get that. And I read the reviews on these extension kits, and there's actually really good reviews. So seems like it works great. But so I got this tester hooked onto this 4-pin, the end of the 4-pin, and I can show you. Hopefully you'll be able to see it. I'm going to turn on the emergency lights. See, as you can see, it's blinking. Then actually I want to okay, as you can see there. See if nope, I needed to turn on the car. Hold on. Okay, now I have the car kind of turned on. So I've got the beep, but I got the door open. But if I turn the left signal, nope, it won't turn. Turn it a little more. Okay, left signal, right signal. Then if I have the daytime running lights, or not the daytime, but the running lights, it's going. The brakes work as well. See if I can press down on the brakes. Yep, here you go. So there you go. This trail harness kit was about $22 at Amazon. Again, but I've seen used ones. You can get used ones for like 20 bucks. I'm a fan of Amazon used like new. And again, I'll post a link in the description. And then again, then all you need is just the trailer harness, the trail wire harness from Harbor Freight, the extension to get it going to the back. So I don't know if I'm planning on maybe running the wires to the side though, then all the way to the back. So we'll see how that works. But yeah, if you have any questions, post below. But I'll make sure, again, I'll post. Yeah, if you have any questions, let me know.